Lotos, C-Cube, and Everplast machinery offer a holistic 3D printing solution. From concept development and material customization to design, engineering validation, printing, manufacturing, post-processing, and final assembly, we ensure every idea is perfectly realized. Our services include architecture, interior and exterior landscape modeling, and furniture design. Today, let us take you through the entire customization production process. Whether it's a one-piece molding service counter or complex assembly parts, we turn ideas into reality, even without detailed drawings. We are able to provide design service at any stage of a client's design process. With a strong commitment to sustainability and its design principles, we can offer professional consultation throughout the production. Our team specializes in 3D printing material customization to meet specific needs. Beyond traditional cement, our Material Innovation Lab focuses on developing cement-free sustainable slurry with a low-carbon approach. While pushing the innovation forward, we also use local material as foundation to maintain its eco-friendliness. Whether you choose our customized ingredients or wish to develop with your own materials, we can provide customized service for any requirement. Our 3D printing technology delivers precision and consistency, even for some complex curved designs. Each layer is carefully managed to ensure every detail meets the highest printing quality. At post-processing, we offer customized solutions from assembly, surface polishing, defect repairing, coating, and finishing to ensure the final product exceeds your expectations. We continue to challenge projects with different fields and scales, such as this store design in Penghu, where we design a 3D printed display stand for the store and printed with a newly developed material that utilized local oyster shells and sand. We constantly challenge ourselves in architecture innovation. Whether it is developing new tower structures for building or crafting unique building surfaces, we welcome designers to explore new methods, prototypes, and architecture possibilities together with us to push the innovation forward.